I'm Dan Fingerhut with Adream Decor, and I'm here at this beautiful showroom in Austin, Texas with a beautiful Jaclo display. And I'm lucky enough to have Morgan Brody, the VP of Hospitality for Jaclo, here with me today. We all know Jaclo for the residential projects, for the beautiful full baths and those finishing parts and pieces. But Morgan, can you tell us a little bit about why Jaclo is really great at these bigger, larger scale hospitality projects?
So really what's great about Jaclo is that whether you're the designer, you're the contractor, you're on-site maintenance, or your ownership, everybody enjoys working with us because we really do a project from concept to completion. We are constantly keeping everything in mind. We want the designer to have their vision, but we also want to make sure that on-site maintenance has all the parts and pieces that are needed in order to maintain the property. We want to make sure that owners are in budget or are in scope and meet all the brand's needs if it is a branded property. We make sure everybody comes together from the beginning, even before the purchase order is placed. We work with maintenance to make sure that all of their concerns are met because we understand that the designs are beautiful, but sometimes you really need to work with the maintenance guys on site. Not saying that product doesn't hold up. It's just about the easy ways to change things out and to keep rooms going and never having to shut down a room. That's what we pride ourselves on. So we work with the designers to make sure that every step of the way, they're keeping in mind the maintenance guys that have to keep it going and keeping in mind owners to keep the budget within budget. So we really pay the attention to those details throughout the entire process. Our whole mindset is for designers, your job is to design, our job is to know plumbing.